All right, so this is a quick rundown on how to add a Canva element to embed it into the website. So I went ahead and created a page called Sandbox just so that I could practice with it. Actually, you'll bear with me. Before I do that, I better turn that off. So right now it's visible to the entire world. I've now turned it off and you cannot search for it. The search button's been disabled, so is the visibility. But I'm here on my page, it's empty. You're going to use a text area. And like I've always said, you always want to name it. So this title is not viewable to the world. So if you mess up the spelling or the capitalization, no big deal. Let's leave this open. I have that tab open. And here I have my Canva presentation. Now Canva works okay. I do recommend, instead of Canva, using Google Slides, because Google Slides will actually automatically scroll through all of your presentation. And if you do Canva, they have to click on the arrows for it to move. So I'm going to show you how to do both. All right, so to share, you're going to click share up in the upper right-hand corner, and we're looking for the word embed. By hitting these three dots here, you should be able to find it. Here it is, embed. Now we're going to click embed. So it basically publishes it, and we need this HTML embed code. Copy. Now, I always use a notepad. I've been using the same notepad for 2 years now, and I've not run out of space, just so that I have it there. I still have it on my clipboard. Now, when you're here, you're going to click source off, and that makes everything grayed out, and then you can simply paste it in there. Now we click save. And then, like any other feature, you can turn it on or you can schedule it. I like to schedule because I'm great about putting things on. I'm not that great about turning things off. So even if you wanted it to run a whole year, I'm going to go all the way till May 27th of 2026. And that way it won't live there forever. So I go back to the site and voila, there it is. Easy peasy, right? And they can just click through the presentation. It looks great. But I'm not satisfied. I would like for it to run. So I'm going to download it as a, can I do it as, yuck. So you can't, once you've made it in Canva, you cannot download it as a PowerPoint. Oh yeah, you can. Here it is, PowerPoint. Okay, so now I'm going to download it. But we're not messing with PowerPoint, guys. We are a Google enterprise organization. So I'm going to upload it into my Google with, we're going to say embed. I'm recording. Embed. I'll come at you. Yeah. Embed presentation, just so I know it's got a name. All right. And then we're going to upload it. It should be in my downloads because we just downloaded it, right? Down and up and up and down. Yeah. But there it is. We want to open it up with Google Slides. It's just going to take, it says it takes a few moments, but it really doesn't. It's not that long. All right. So now we've got, and we want it to automatically play. I believe it's up here in share. No, I lie. I always have to search for it in my help. So it's going to be publish to web. I can never remember where it's at. But once you do that, it opens this up, and see here, right now it's just a link, but you can set it. So I want it to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads and restart because I want it to loop and loop and loop as long as they're watching. I click embed. Yes, that's the right size. And we'll click those. We hit publish. Okay. And there is our iframe. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our website and we're going to do it all over again, guys. I'm going to do it twice just so you can see it twice. Text area. Always name it. And then we're going to click source to where it's gray. And then we're just going to paste it. And then we're going to start it today. And we We just want this one to run a couple of months. We hit save, and if we did it correctly, when we go back, the top one should be, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. It says Google Sheets, and look, it's running on its own, 3 seconds on every slide. So it depends on what you want to do. Do you want it to be interactive where they click on it? Then Canva's your tool. Do you want it to run on it automatically? Then perhaps you want to use Google Slides. I hope that makes sense. Be well.